Alright y'all, fixing to show you how to take this blower motor off on this 2005 Ford Sport Trac. All you gotta do is just take these 8mm bolts loose, and you're gonna have a wiring connector right here, and this rubber hose over here that you're gonna take loose. And let me go ahead and get started on that. Alright y'all, I'm putting this new motor back on, and you do have to put the foam gasket back on there before you put your new motor back on. And I just put me some silicone and to adhere this old gasket back on here, and I'm fixing to get ready to tighten my 4 screws up right there. You see right there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to take this off, you do have to take your cruise control motor and everything loose on it. Also had to take this washer fluid and radiator coolant jug loose, and they're just being held in by a nut right here, and you have a nut right down in there. Show you that right there. You see a nut right there? That's a stud right there, you can see. So you do have to remove this out of the way to be able to get your fan back in. Alright y'all, got this blower motor replaced on this 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. I'm just going to do a quick recap real quick. What I had to do. The first thing you want to do, just take this cruise control motor loose, and you do it with this one bolt. And then just go ahead and take this washer fluid reservoir and radiator coolant overflow jug loose. And to do that, you're going to have a bolt right here you're going to take out. And you're going to have a bolt right there to take out. And down here below, right beside this air filter housing, you're going to have a nut here. And then you're going to have a nut right down in here. And I did take loose this air filter top off this housing here to make it easier to get down there to that one nut down in there. But if you're having trouble, go ahead and take this whole filter housing out. It just pulls up, pops out of the way. I didn't have to do that, but I'm letting you know that if you do have trouble, just pop it out of the way. But Hope this video has been informative. Maybe if you had to do one on 2005 Ford Sport Trac, maybe this video will help you out. And as always, friends, for my family and yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.